In this video, I will show you guys step by step how to make faceless YouTube videos with Canva just in few minutes. This will be an easy and quick tutorial, so if you are interested to start making and to start creating faceless YouTube videos, make sure to watch this video until the end because you don't have to show your face and you don't have to use your voice. All you have to do is you just need to use Canva, and I will show you step by step how you can do it, okay? So the niche that we will start with, guys, is animal niche, okay, and it's already working and you can monetize this niche on YouTube, okay. And this is an example of a faceless YouTube channel uploading animal videos without, they don't have to show their face or using their voice. As you can see, guys, just uploading simple and easy animal videos, okay, faceless videos. This channel is monetized. If we click here on view channel, state channel, you guys can see that this channel got 3.4 million views in the past month, okay, in the last 30 days, you guys can see. So it's working, and I will show you guys step by step how we can make like those videos, and you can see that those videos are getting a lot of views. So if we click over here on popular and we scroll down, you guys can see that those videos are getting a million of views. Look at this one, 32 million views, and it's still getting views, which is really good, okay. So this niche is very profitable, and it's super easy to make like those videos using just Canva, okay. And this channel is making good money per month. You guys can see estimated revenue between 8,000 and $23,000 per month. So to start making like those videos, it's super easy and simple. All you have to do is you just need to create an account on Canva, okay, like this one. So this will be your home page. If you don't have Canva account, just go to Google and search for Canva like this. Go to Google and search for Canva, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple, and it's for free. After you finish, this will be your home page. So all you have to do, you just need to click here on video and click over here on YouTube video, okay, and you will be directly in this page over here. So what you will do next, you will click here on element and click on the search and search for animals, okay, like this. Click over here on videos, and here you go. You will find a lot of videos about animals that you guys can use. So here is what you will do next. You will click on the first, let's choose, for example, I'm gonna choose this video, for example. Just click on the video that you want to use like this, and your video will be over here like this. As you can see, click over here on this 3 point and scroll down and click on set the video as background, and here you go. So click here, so just click here, and you guys can swipe left or swipe right and make this video just up to 3 seconds, okay. Click on add page and click again on add page, and make sure to make your video long, okay. So let me show you. I'm gonna keep clicking on add page, and I will go back to this second page here, and I will choose another video. I'm gonna choose this one, and I will click again on this 3 points, scroll down, set video as background, okay, and I will make this video up to just 3 seconds. Click on the next page, and I will add, let me see, I will add this one. Again, click on 3 points like this, okay. Scroll down, click on set video as background, and make it just up to 3 seconds. Click on the next page and add another video, and make sure to use different videos, okay. So your video will be more engaging and professional, so people can enjoy watching your videos, okay. So make sure to use a different videos. I'm gonna scroll down, and I will choose, for example, this one here. Also, I will show you guys how we can add the background music, free background music to make your video even more engaging. Okay, click on the next page. I will add this one here, 3 points, scroll down, set the video as background, and make the video, let me show you, I'm gonna make it just up to 3 seconds like this. Next page, and I will add this one here, scroll down again, set the video as background, and here we go. Okay, so now, and you will keep just using this method, and make sure to create a video up to, it should be at least up to 10 minutes. Okay, so let's go over here. So to add the background music, you guys can click here on the first page like this. Okay, and click over here on upload, and click on upload file, and upload the background music that you want to use from your laptop. Okay, if you don't know how to get the background music, you can go to YouTube and you can click here on the search for no copyright music. Okay, search for no copyright music, and here you go. If you scroll down, you can find a lot of YouTube channels here that provide free background music that you guys can use, like this channel here, no copyright sounds, like this one. You guys can check this channel and get the background music for free. Okay, if you scroll down, you can find more. Okay, or like this one, no copyright music, this one also is good. So just go to like I said, go to YouTube, search for no copyright music, and here you go. That's how you can get free background music. Let's go back to Canva, to our video. I already uploaded my background music, so I will just click here on audio, and I will scroll down, and let me see, I have this one. Let's check this one. Okay, let me check this. Okay, I will use this one. This one is good. I will just click on the background music, and here you go. My background music will be here. You guys can see. And here you go. Your video will be ready. You guys can see. So what you will do next, you just need to click here on share. Okay, click on share and click on, let me show you. So first I will go and I will delete this, delete page. So for you guys, like I said, make sure to make your video at least up to 10 minutes. Okay, so my video is ready. I will click on share, and I will click here on download, and click again over here on download. Okay, and your video will be downloading to your laptop. You guys can see. So I will get back to you guys and show you my results after this video will be done. And here you go, my video guys is done. So let's check the video. And here you go, you guys can see. That's how we can create faceless YouTube videos with Canva just in few minutes. It's super easy and it's so simple. So you guys can start making faceless YouTube videos using Canva just by using this step-by-step methods and strategies that I shared with you in this video, and that's it. So you can start making like those videos, like this channel. Let's go back to show you, like this channel guys, and it's monetized, like this one, uploading animal videos, getting a million of views per video, making a lot of money every single month, uploading those easy and simple videos. Okay, thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, just leave it in the comments, and see you in my next videos.